Yeah. Know what I'm saying? I'ma go on and give it to you, nigga. Know what I'm saying? I be the grave digger nigga. Know what I'm saying? I'm from the south side, southwest. What's the trade? What's the nitty? What's the schoolboy? The rest don't need to be said, cause boys out here snitching dope. Play with me, y'all put a Glock off in your asshole. Bitches teasy, nigga, and I'm an asshole. What's the pirate? All you hoes is hoes. I'm talking about you bitches, niggas out there snitching mad cause I'm on the grind out here getting it. Don't think because you big my bullet would not fit in you. Playing with the wrong cat, a head splatter fit you, bitch. You don't wanna play with me, bitch. It's DBM say I'm gonna represent. Don't think I won't see you just because you ride behind a tent. I'm a Southwest nigga, H-Time nigga. I represent for the North and the South, nigga. R.I. Pimp C. What's up, big house? Best believe the Glock will make all them snitches talk. Why you telling on me? No, you smelling on me. Bitches cash flow. Ain't no telling on me. Murder all y'all bitches talking shit on teasing. Best believe that being me, it ain't never easy. But best believe all my enemies, I'm still breathing. Play with me on the ground, I leave you dead sneezing. Yeah, talking about you let me stick with the Glock. Best believe I'ma bust a couple shots at your mama house. Bitch, you know who I'm talking to. I do the shit for Pat Pat, Big Hawkins, DJ Screw. Know what I'm saying? I'ma go and bring it back though. You might be the dinner, but I be the snack hoe. I'm talking about for your gal, cause she want me, nigga. But fuck that hoe. Everybody knows she's sucking dick. Yeah, because the nigga got them diamonds, nigga. Man, cause I come through my cherry climbing, nigga. A south side, nigga. 84, nigga. Know what I'm saying, nigga? Butterfly doors, nigga. When we ride those, nigga, we used to do donuts, O's, nigga. Yeah. We used to sell zones, niggas. Now it's J.O.B. It's another nation. J.O.B., nigga. It's this new nation shit. Got these boys fucked up wearing skinny jeans. I ain't talking about Wayne, I'm talking about them G's. Cause Wayne be a G. Bitch, I be a G. You play with me, then better days of murder you will see. You don't want it, nigga. Say it's a freestyle. But in the meanwhile, you better watch your smile. Cause I don't play around. I'm a fucking joker. Why I'm out here hustling, nigga? Y'all be out here smoking. Know what I'm saying? Bitch, I'm about that. DBM, bitch. Know what I'm saying? Yeah. Hold up. I'm a Southside nigga. Y'all boys don't want it. Hold up. Know what I'm saying? H-Time, baby. We gonna show these boys how to do it. What's up, DBM? D-Red, J Swift, KJ, know what I'm talking about? What's up, Tank? Know what I'm saying? J West? Yeah.